In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real Google Ads case study and show you the exact three-step process I used to fix underperforming campaigns. You will see what was going wrong, what changes we made in keywords, landing pages, and tracking, and how that turned weak results into profitable leads. By the end, you will understand how to audit a struggling account and what to focus on first if you want better results from your ads. Stay with us. In this video, I will explain you the three-step process I used to fix underperforming Google Ads campaign and turn them into a lead generating machine under their target CPL. So let's start. If you are running Google Ads but you are not getting profitable results, this case study will help you to understand exactly what might be going wrong and what you need to do to fix that issue. So I am going to walk you through a real client example, what was wrong in their ad setup, what changes we made, and how those changes turned low performing Google Ads into profitable lead generation. So the client is a US based SaaS company. Their product is all in one dropshipping platform that helps you launch and scale faster with AI built store, top products, and reliable shipping. So they wanted to generate qualified B2B leads through Google Ads. Basically, they were already running ads at Meta. They had already tried hiring freelancers and running ads themselves, but CPL was too high, as much as $15 for a lead. And in the back end, they were not even profitable. So the problem was this: they were getting clicks, but those clicks were not turning into real leads. The CPL was too high, even high above than their target CPL. Their landing page was too bored, so the conversion rate was crippled, and their tracking was incomplete. So basically, they were spending money without knowing which keywords were converting, which ads were wasteful, and which audience were ready to take action. So what we did is originally went through the original ad setup and mistakes. So when we audited their account, there were three major issues we found. So first, I will explain those three major issues. Number one was campaign structure and hierarchy were not aligned with the business goal. Their keywords were too generic. They were not even capturing their brand traffic. Their funnel was leak as there was no solid retargeting campaign. Number second issue was that their landing page was not conversion focused. It was full of information but had no strong call to action, no lead magnet, and no clarity on what problem it was solving. And then number three is their conversion tracking was not set up correctly. Google Ads was only tracking clicks, no real leads from submission, not a demo call booking, not free signups, no free trial signups. So there was no clarity on what was working. And the worst part is they were making decisions blindly. So what we changed? So now let's talk about what we did to fix all of these issues. So step number one, we rebuilt the keyword strategy completely. We focus on high intent B2B keywords like Shopify dropshipping, dropshipping websites, best dropshipping products, best dropshipping suppliers. So these keywords were very specific, very low search volume, but very high purchase intent, right? And the next step, what we did is we redesigned their landing page to make it conversion focused. We added a clear lead magnet, request a free demo. We added problem based messaging, not feature based, but benefits. We included trust elements, logos, testimonials, platform highlights. And then the final step, what we took is we set up complete conversion tracking. We tracked form submissions, Calendly, call bookings, free trial activation, and even video demo views. So now Google could learn which users were actually taking meaningful action. And what was the result? And here is what happened next. Their cost per lead dropped from $15 to $8.5 on average. Their conversion rate increased from 1.2% to 9.4%. Their landing page bounce rate dropped by 42%. We not only start getting leads at cheap cost, but slowly start scaling that account. So once it was spending barely $1,000 per month, now we started spending USD $19,000 per month and generating more leads. So the profit became double with the single effort. So this was possible because we shifted the strategy from mediocre to smart. So now here are the 4 key lessons from this case study. Google Ads does not work because you spend more. It works when you spend in the right places. So high intent keywords always win over broad keywords. Your landing page must align with keyword intent. And without proper conversion tracking, you will always spend blindly. efficiently. So if you are a business owner and would like me to review your Google Ads account to see what's blocking your results, so you can book a free audit call using the below link. And if you want to learn how to do this for clients and build Google Ads as a high income skill, check out my Google Ads training program. Link is in the below. Subscribe if you want more real case studies and breakdowns and profit focused Google Ads strategy. I will see you in the next video.